Okay, what's up everybody? Welcome back. If you haven't already, subscribe. Alright, also subscribe to This Is Ready Made on YouTube too. And hit that bell. And also, who would not want to fucking join MEMELYNS Mansion? Like I said, she's the fucking best. Okay, I'll give you. Okay, don't look at any of these. Alright, don't look at any of those. I said don't look at any of those. And just read this. I'll read it out for you. Has anybody wondered why people did not join MEMELYNS Mansion yet? There's content, especially memes, discussion, and a fucking therapy session, either in public or in DM, which is direct message. If you didn't fucking know that, I'm sorry. Who'd want to pass that up? Also, you get wished happy birthday, and there are sometimes game time with anybody in the server. My username in the server is @JakeyWakey. Look for me. I'm in a stream audience. Also, follow on Twitch, MEMELYN. I hope I encourage you guys to join her awesome server. And yeah, 20 hours ago. Yeah, don't fucking look at that, right? I hate that. Anyways, let's go back to the Discord server. Okay. Okay, that was copyrighted. I'm sorry. You know what? I'm gonna ask Adam Rolf, which was who made the. See what I mean? Birthday wishes. Oh no! Okay, fuck. Thank God. Okay, there's also people in there. All right, don't look in there unless you're 18 and older. I shouldn't have clicked the link. I thought it was a joke. But anyways, okay, where's that fucking link? Okay, it's self promo maybe. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna ask this guy. SQ. I'm gonna add him, so I don't get fucking, what's it called? You know what, I don't care if this gets copyrighted, this is hella good. Alright, that's enough. Alright! This probably video is gonna get demonetized. Don't fucking look at that. You guys should actually join MEMELYNS Mansion. I could... You know what? I'm gonna do it. What the fuck? Anyways, I hope I encourage you guys to get this. Bye.